Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the ChatGPT voice chat on PC. Alright, it is pretty easy to use. Just go head over to chatgpt.com. Alright, once done, just go ahead and click on this one right here, which says use voice mode. Alright, click on it, hit continue. Alright, then you're going to want to choose the voice that you want the AI to respond with. For example, this one.
Hi there. I just want to.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, it's great to meet.
Hey, what's up? Feel
Alright,
free
let's
to
use
ask
this
me
one.
about anything that's on your mind.
Then hit on
I'm ready to
start
go.
new chat. You're going to want to enable your microphone as well, so the AI will be able to hear you. Allow. So when I turn it on, the AI will be able to hear my concerns or my prompts. For example, let's ask, hi, how old are you?
I'm as old as the knowledge I've been trained on, which goes up to September 2021. How can I help you today?
Awesome, as you can see there. So to change the voice, just go ahead over to this icon right
Hey,
here.
what's
Click
up?
on it
Hey,
and
hey,
select the voice.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running.
All right. Hello there. How are you?
Hey there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking.
That's great to hear. What's on your mind today?
See, and that's how you use ChatGPT's voice chat. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.